Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPad Pro 13. Begin by opening Play Store on an Android and App Store on iPad. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, you need to set it up. Let's start with iPad. In the first pop-up about tracking, choose whatever you want to. In the second one about photos, tap on Allow Full Access. And then wherever you want to in the Notifications one. Following that, hit Close in Select Images window at the bottom and go to an Android. Now to set up this app, hit I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. In the Notifications pop-up, you can also select wherever you want to, and in Updates one. Now tap on your device's display and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive on the left over here of iPad. Now go back to an Android and using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple. Sorry, misclick. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon at the top right corner of your iPad and hit Allow in the pop-up. Then point your camera at the code. To input this key though, select Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. Wherever you decided when your device will start connecting, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!